guys? Welcome back to my channel. We DJ Khaled in the house. As you see, we got Beyblades, and today we're making our own stadium. We already got our stuff going on and stuff. So let's go ahead and get to the video. We got my dad behind me and stuff. I'm gonna cut these sides. Oh, and subscribe to my channel. Look out this everything. So once we're done with this, we're gonna go ahead and glue the bottom so it can stick. Hold on, right there. Back already. This is glued down, and now we're about to put my channel on DJ Khaled. It's pretty hard. We're gonna put DJ Khaled World under it. Alright, you guys, we're back. Welcome to DJ Khaled World, and we actually set up some more things and decorated, and we got some little tops. They're kind of like Beyblades, but you can spin them with them. And if you guys have tops at your house, you can, use them and put them on your board. And we got some arrows to have the Beyblades come out and battle out in the real arena. Then we have a mayonnaise top, and that's gonna use when they hit it, it's gonna bounce back, and then they both gonna have that real battle. And I'll see y'all. Oh, and guess what? We used this right here to once they hit it back, bounce back, and then they gonna bounce to this. Come on here, all around, how their little battle, they hit this and stuff. How they're backing out, and right now we're gonna test them out with Doom Slicer. And now we're gonna test them out and have a battle with Spryzen. And now we're gonna have a battle, so I'm gonna take turns using them and stuff. So let's get started.